Hello and welcome back. My name is Sham, here with the Waterside Holiday Group, and I am at Bowleaze Cove Holiday Park and Spa. And not only am I at Bowleaze Cove, I am at the Stables Lodge development. Today I am about to show you around the Prestige Dryft. This is 3 bedrooms, and not only is the lodge itself absolutely amazing that I will show you around in just a moment, check out this hot tub that comes with it. Before I take you in, one little touch that I love about this is you've got this really nice light here just outside the front door, and as small and as silly as it sounds, when you're coming back after a nice night out, you've got a well lit doorway. When you first walk in, the first thing you see is this really nice feature wall where you can hang up your coats and this bench in order to sit down, take your shoes off. One of our key features in our owners' surveys that we have here is that they like a mat as you walk in, instead of the kids or the adults or the dogs running in and making a mess. This flooring really does make a great difference. Now, taking you into the main area, you have this 6-seater dining table and chairs. I think this works so well for this holiday home because it is such a sociable lodge. You have got plenty of seating. One of these sofas, this one in particular, is a pull-out sofa bed. So this holiday home can sleep up to 8 people. And with the way that the sofas are laid out, you've got a great focal point towards the TV that you can have on the wall or on a TV stand. And as you can see, with the kitchen being so well placed, you can be with your friends and family and not feel left out. And personally, I think this kitchen is perfectly well appointed because you've got plenty of storage, lots of drawers, you've got a dishwasher built in, and you might be thinking, is there a washing machine missing? Well, there is a utility room for that, which I will show you in just a second. And the last thing I want to show you before I take you into the back end of the lodge, check out these double doors that take you out onto this stunning decking. Now, as we go towards the back of the holiday home, the first door on your right is this really handy utility room with the washing machine, boiler, and additional storage space. And opposite that utility room, you've got your first twin room where you've got 2 3-foot single adult size beds and a really great space for all of their belongings. And you have a TV point and plug socket already in place. Then the next door on your right, you have got a full-size bathtub with an overhead shower. This is your master family bathroom. You also have an additional ensuite, which I will take you to in just a moment. Then you have your second twin room, 2 3-foot singles again, and fantastic storage in this one too. Now taking you to the very back of the holiday home, and you have got the full 20-foot width in this bedroom. So you've got a massive master bedroom with the really nice wooden feature wall at the back, and then take a look in there into your ensuite shower bathroom. So I hope you have liked this short video of this beautiful Prestige Dryft. If you would like to come and see it in person, give us a call on 01305 836 836.